Hello guys. Hi sir.
Hi!
Sir Alain guys, one of the stars for Kay Amgo short film, and so we'll have a car raid. Hi sir, can you introduce us to your new car?
Yeah,
Right, this is
this is BYD Sea Lion Hybrid.
mm-hmm.
Pwede siya engine, pwede siya electric.
That's why it's hybrid.
Yeah, that's why it's hybrid. Then, it has some few state-of-the-art mga kuan.
Including
including a rotating screen.
Nice.
Yes, no? Which nga imo siyang makuan. Then you have different view angles sa imong sakyanan.
Okay.
No, pwede ka diha, pwede na diha. No, yes. Then you can rotate para ma-check nimo ang imong surroundings
Touch
kung wa
screen
ba'y
na siya.
touch screen sa siya.
Sana
Yes.
all.
Then pwede pod nimo siyang kanina apa pagipangita diri kani siya di ay kani siya na tanan radio station sa tugtibuok Pilipinas
Naa.
naa. Oh,
Wow.
from RMN,
Cebu,
DYHP, tanan
Bohol,
tanan.
911, 102.3.
Na siya tanan, no? Makita na nimo diha.
Wow.
Mhm.
So basically that's your most favorite feature about this car.
Yes, no, then naka-built-in na sa iyahang
Rotating.
ways,
Ways.
no, naka-built-in na iyang ways, at the same time naagid pod siya yung navigation system.
So its Wi-Fi connection is connected to your phone. Sir Alain.
Yeah, if you are going to the navigation, dili na ka kinahanglan pa mag Wi-Fi sa imong phone, pero og kuan ka,
So it's powered
Waze.
through GPS.
Yeah, GPS.
Wow.
GPS na
That's
siya.
a good thing about this car.
Then
Steering wheel.
voice command.
Voice command.
Yes. BYD.
Hmm?
Open the sunroof.
Here are some things you can say.
Wow.
So that's
Nice.
sunroof is being opened.
So if you wanna hamugaway imong rides, no.
Hamugawa imong rides. Then
Kung di ka
pwede
gina
rasad.
mag-AC kay
Then-
kanan. How many people can fit into this car?
Wait.
Sir Alain?
BYD close the sunroof.
Wow. Kasi it's about to rain.
Yeah.
It's closing right
so,
there.
plus daghan pa siya mga lane assist.
Lane assist.
Usahay
Oh,
lagi
shucks. Oh yeah.
usahay lagi makiglali si voice command. Di siyang patuo kay kusog kuno imong dagan ngano kunong ipa-open nimo imong sunroof.
So sa multilingual si voice command or English lang.
English na gid siya so far.
Wala pa Bisaya.
Wala pa.
All right, nice this car. So how much is this in the market, Sir Alain?
Barato ra kaayo. Barato ra gid siya kaayo.
So check it guys na lang, Google.
Very affordable price ra gid siya.
Please Google it na.
Mhm.
Thank you, Sir Alain, for showing us your new car.
Yes.
In time for our filming sa Kay Amgo short film. Abangan nyo guys sa online sa release.
Okay, sige.
The BYD Sea Lion 6 DMI is made to break through conventional standards of an electrified experience. Besides its sleek and elegant design, it is also the first in the Philippines to run using BYD Super MI technology, powertrain that offers advantages well and beyond the usual hybrid vehicle. So you won't just be cruising the highways in style, but also in comfort, power, and exceptional cost efficiency wherever you wish to go.
Hoy, yun ang inakala mo. Sa ko naging malago rito. Matuto kang na respeto. Dami ko na isipak sa pagmumukha mo. Putata.